Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix emergency calls only problem on any Samsung phone. Now, first of all, just power off your smartphone. To do that, just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now, just select power off. Now, once your smartphone is completely powered off, just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with the smartphone in the box, or you can use any SIM card ejection tool. Now just enter the SIM card ejection tool in the SIM card tray hole at the side of your smartphone. Now just take out the SIM card tray. Now just make sure that the SIM card is inserted properly in the SIM card tray. Now once you do that, just insert the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now just power on your smartphone. As you can see, our smartphone is powered on. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just open Settings, then go to Connections. Now just select Mobile Networks and tap on Network Mode. Now just select LTE, and if your area supports 5G, just select 5G. After that, tap on Access Point Names and tap on the three dots. Now just tap on Reset to Default. Go back and tap on Network Operators and make sure the Select Automatically option is enabled. Now just go back, then go to General Management. Now just select Reset and tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now just tap on Reset Settings. And once you have done that, just go to your home screen and reboot your smartphone. Now just open the control center and tap on the power icon. Now just select Restart. As you can see, our smartphone has restarted. And this is how you can fix emergency calls only problem on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.